to the channel, everybody. And if you're new here, hello, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like, comment, subscribe, do all those good things. This is Motor Mike Media, and as always, I'm Motor Mike, and today, we're talking about the Rivian company. Rivian makes the R1T, their electric pickup truck, and it finally made it into production. The owner of that vehicle went to the plant, got in their vehicle, and drove it right off the line. It's such a cool thing to see. And right behind that vehicle, all the other production vehicles. They're ready and they're gearing to go. So it was a long road, but they finally got here. Not that long ago, the EPA released their numbers for the vehicle. The R1T, the pickup truck, got about 314 miles of electric range. Pretty good. They did say 300 plus. And now they have the R1S. Now that vehicle is the SUV version. It's boxy. I really like the styling of it. It's basically just an enclosed version of that vehicle. But that got a little bit more, about 316 miles of range. So good numbers here. They said in the future there will be a 400 plus mile one, and they'll make it even more affordable model that's like 250-ish miles of range. So we'll have to wait for those, but soon, probably about this time next year, you'll start seeing these on the road more and more. So it's a cool thing to see. This company, with this long journey, they finally took that vehicle and made it production. We see so many vehicles that don't even get that far. This truck, talking about real quickly, the front end is polarizing. It's very unique styling cue that only this vehicle has. A lot of people really dig the LED bars up front because there's no engine. You have a giant front or front truck, which is good for all that usable storage space. The side profile, it's boxy, but at the same time has this nice modern look, sophisticated. A gear tunnel, which is a nice thing to do. You open that thing up, wet storage can go there, any long items you want there instead of inside the cab of the vehicle. And if you have a little bit more money and you want to take your vehicle off-roading for overlanding or potentially camping, there's a kitchenette you can get and pull it out. It's kind of gimmicky, but it's a cool thing to see. A nice usable bed. I like the LED bars going all the way across. And the interior, everything in here is very premium looking. It is all vegan leathers, some recycled materials, but everything feels sophisticated. Big screens, full tech, good features, 360 cameras, all that good stuff, and a nice package overall. Now this vehicle, it can tow about 11,000 pounds, which is pretty good. Now it also has 835 horsepower and about 908 pound-feet of torque. So it has lots and lots of power. 0 to 60 is about 3 seconds. It can forge like 3 feet of water. They said this is a vehicle that you can just drive every day to work. Nice and comfortable on-road. And you can still tow things around. You can use it as a workhorse if you want to. But you can also go off-road. Has all these different gear modes you can go through to optimize the four-wheel drive system. Take these off-road, have fun with them, tow stuff, use them as your daily driver. It's supposed to be just an everyday truck, just like a normal combustion engine truck. And I really, really like this thing. I'm happy to see they made it in the production, but I wonder what you guys think. What are things you like and don't like about this vehicle? Do you like the truck, the R1T, or do you like the R1S better, the SUV? What would be right for you? They're actually looking for a second plant. This company's just growing and growing. Did you guys think they'll make it this far? Do you think that this is a company that could one day rival Tesla? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you haven't already and you want to, please check out my channel. I keep trying to give you guys more and more content. It's about cars, trucks, crossovers, and SUVs, combustion engines, and EVs, just like this. A little bit of everything. But please, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you guys will stay up to date with the latest and greatest from my channel. And as always, I truly, truly appreciate you all for watching. And I'll see you all in the next one.